Oh, boy. I'm so sick. I'm going on this hot day today and I'm not feeling too well. I'm going to cough up a lung. So I'm feeling down in the dumps today because I've been sick for days. I haven't showered in 2 days. I feel like I'm gonna come up along for my date. I don't want to get her sick. As it won. Please send me an angel so I can feel better on this date. And I can smell better too.
Well, if you're looking for something, an angel, you have an angel, my friend. And I'm here with some products here to make you feel better. One is going to calm that horrible, atrocious. Boy, that cough is atrocious, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
That cough. And the other is going to make you smell good. First, let's get rid of the cough. God, you don't want to get her sick on that date. I got something for you.
Oh, I know.
Show everybody what you got here. Assured.
Oh.
What's it say?
Wild cherry cough drops.
This is right, assured, so you won't contaminate her, and the cough will go away, so you can feel well. Here, put a couple of these in your mouth, please.
All right.
Take those out of the package. You got to take those out of the package. That's not how you do the Assure. These are the best cough drops money can buy here. We nothing but the best here.
Yeah.
See, sure, show everybody what you're having.
I'm having.
Okay, to start getting them now. Put those 2 in your mouth,
Oh, good.
and then put the other one in there. Well, you're still coughing, aren't you?
Yeah, I am. Oh, geez. I gotta get this out of the wrapper.
Is that cough going away now?
Oh,
How's that sore throat feeling now?
oh my. Well, a lot better now.
It's a miracle, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Right, that is a miracle. But the miracle is yet to come, my friend, because we got something else. It's going to really, really help you on your date. You're not just going to quit coughing. It's going to be a secret that you haven't showered in days because you've been weak, but the cough drops will get you through the date, and because you haven't showered, something else is going to get you through the date.
Oh, really?
What is it?
Gene Phillppe.
Gene Phillppe. Let me see. Oh,
goodness.
Striker. Woo.
Ew.
Here. I don't always help a fellow man, but I'm going to help you.
I might smell good.
You're going to smell good, and your cough is going to go away. Now, let's spray the living hell out of your body with a liberal amount of that.
Oh my gosh, smells like a million bucks.
Now, how you feeling?
Oh, I feel a lot better.
You better take. You better get one more cough drop before you go on the date.
Oh my.
There you go. Now, how you feeling?
Oh,
You feel like a changed man now?
Yeah, I am.
All right. Well, now you'll feel good on your date, and you'll smell good. And also, Assured brand cough drops available at Dollar Tree. And also, Gene Phillppe Striker available at Dollar Tree. The best cologne and cough drops that little money can buy.